All right, this station is for multiplying fractions. So we're going to use an area model for multiplication. So please watch the following video. All right, some vocabulary that you're going to need to know before we even get started is what is an area model. An area model is a model for multiplication in which the length and width of a rectangle represent the factors and the area represents the product. Okay, let's do some review. 3 groups of 4 is what operation? We all know that means multiplication. And how I can represent it is this. Three groups, 1, 2, 3 of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which gives me a total of 12. And then mathematically, I can show it 3 times 4 gives me 12. Okay? Now let's talk about multiplying with fractions. So the following question is 3/4 of 1/2, or let's write it with using an operation, 3/4 times 1/2. And we're going to represent this with an area model. So below I've taken a whole and I've divided it into 4 sections. We're going to now color in 3 out of 4 of those sections. So the yellow represents my 3/4. Then I want to represent half of this. So I'm going to draw a line across, and I'm going to get a different color. And this time using, this is 1/2, that's 1/2. I'm just going to shade in one of those halves. Okay. The pieces that overlap, 1, 2, 3, those are our product. So a total of 3 pieces out of, and we are going to count all of our pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3/8. A quicker way to do this would be 3/4 times 1/2. If we multiply across, we get 3 times 1 is 3. If we multiply across, we get 4 times 2 is 8, which gives us the same product from our area model. So an algorithm or formula that you can use for multiplying fractions is this. A over B times C over D is equivalent to the product of A and C over the product of B and D. And that is it for this station. So now what you're going to do is you're going to get a few problems to try, and you're going to model it using the area model on your paper.